Is it time to buy or sell Incannex Healthcare stock? In this video, we will explore Incannex Healthcare in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 25th of July, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of July, 2025, our system has ranked Incannex Healthcare as a hold accumulate, giving it a score of 0.97. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has significantly outperformed our expectations, with a gain of 378.14% since we first recommended buying Incannex Healthcare 14 days ago. This translates to an average return of 27.01% per day since it was classified as hold accumulate. The stock is positioned within the middle of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a further rise is anticipated within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 37.59% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 61.52% to positive 114.56%. In examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 57.53%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 100% to negative 34.43% over the next year. In current terms, this would position the future price between $0 and $0.688. Our latest daily update for Incannex Healthcare highlights significant volatility in the stock price, which closed on Friday at $1.05. On the last trading day, the stock price for Incannex Healthcare Limited experienced a decline of 35.58%, dropping from $1.63 to $1.05. Throughout that day, the stock fluctuated by 33.68%, with a low of 95 cents and a high of $1.27. Remarkably, the stock has risen in 8 of the last 10 days, showing an impressive increase of 376.62% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive sign, as volume typically follows price trends. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 10 million shares, resulting in a total of 218 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $228,071,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $3.12 and its lowest price of 8 cents. Currently, the price is 66.35%, or $2.07, below the 52-week high, and 98.91%, or $95.02, below the all-time high recorded on the 14th of March, 2022, when the price peaked at $96.07. Incannex Healthcare Incorporated continues to build momentum in the biopharmaceutical sector with its recent advancements and strategic decisions. On the 25th of July, 2025, the company announced the appointment of Dr. Charlene E. DiMaldo to its IXHL 42X Obstructive Sleep Apnea Clinical Advisory Board, enhancing its capabilities in this crucial program. This follows the appointment of Dr. Douglas B. Kirsch, indicating a robust focus on expert guidance for their ongoing clinical trials. In June, Incannex achieved a significant milestone with the database lock of the Reposa Phase 2 trial for IXHL 42X, pushing development forward as the company prepares for statistical analysis. This substantial step reinforces investor confidence and reflects progress in their clinical timeline. Furthermore, the firm has made strategic moves to streamline its capital structure by canceling all outstanding Series A warrants, thereby reducing potential dilution. This action comes ahead of crucial Phase 2 results and should strengthen shareholder value in the long run. The addition of a joint venture with Mind Medicine Australia aims to expand access to potential mental health therapies, aligning with the increasing demand for innovative treatments in this field. These developments are poised to bolster IXHL's stock price in the short term by generating positive market sentiment, while the long-term outlook is supported by the potential success of their clinical trials and strategic partnerships, making Incannex a compelling player in the evolving biopharmaceutical market. Analysts have assigned Incannex Healthcare stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Incannex Healthcare. The stock of Incannex Healthcare Limited presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at levels of 90 cents and 35.9 cents. A drop below either of these thresholds could trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 24, 2025, with the stock experiencing a decline of 35.58%. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is established. On the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which lowers the overall risk since volume generally aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands presented a buy signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 16 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 14 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average generated a sell signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average revealed a buy signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 154 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Incannex Healthcare. Incannex Healthcare Limited finds support from accumulated volume at $1.01. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock has shown significant daily movement and is characterized by a large prediction interval according to the Bollinger Band, indicating a very high-risk status. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 320 cents between its high and low, representing a 33.68% change. Additionally, for the past week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 34.90%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Incannex Healthcare, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could indicate risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are projected at negative 290 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Incannex Healthcare. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Incannex Healthcare encounters its first support level at $1.01. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Incannex Healthcare from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is more than 3 months old. The latest trade occurred on the 23rd of October, 2024, when Barbado Luigi M. conducted an insider purchase of 100,476 shares of common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at 99 cents, reflecting a decrease of 5.58%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is Incannex Healthcare stock a good buy? Incannex Healthcare Limited holds several positive signals, but we still do not find these to be sufficient for a buy recommendation. At the current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 28th of July, we anticipate Incannex Healthcare to open higher by 4 cents, starting trading at $1.09. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is a recurring view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.